so this is the look, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Starting off with the Abidemi Moisture Repair Balm Serum. Skin immediately gives hydrated. Next, I'm going in with the Lancome Totally Dull Ultra Wear in 535 Neutral. So I am double recording. I'm recording for Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and also YouTube. You guys are getting the long version of the video where I go more in depth and actually like physically talk and tell you what I'm using. I just spilled that all on my shirt. So much foundation. Foundation is blended. Now I'm contouring with the Milk Cosmetics or Milk Makeup Sculpt Stick in the shade Sizzle. And then to kind of seamlessly get that all, I'm going to go in again with my foundation. And just kind of blend it together. Just kind of shuffle back and forth between the two. I'm going to reverse the order and I'm actually going to go in with blush. I'm using the Abidemi Yummy Skin blush in Golden Hour, and I'm reversing the order because I feel like I want it to be like a melted look, and again it gives the drama, so that's why. You could do your makeup in a lot of different orders and it really doesn't matter. Don't let people tell you that this is the step that you have to take. There's no steps. I also go under my eyes for that extra flush look. Go back and add a little more definition again with that bronzer, especially in that hollow of my cheek and right here. For concealer, I am using the Stay Naked Quickie Up to 24-Hour Wear Multi-Use Concealer by Urban Decay. It is in the shade 70NN, so neutral. It's my new favorite concealer. I like it. Taking my time to blend everything out. Also gonna take some on my eyelids here. Kind of use it to carve my brows just a little bit. Now I'm gonna spray my face. While it's still damp, I'm going to start to blend, especially that under eye. What that also does when you push it in while it's still damp with the spray, which I use the Milk Hydro Grip or the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray, what it does is that it kind of sucks in that product into your face so that the product is kind of setting everything in as you go. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and re-blend everything, just to ensure that everything is seamless and I don't have any like lines of divide. First with my foundation, okay, and then with that brush of the contour. I'm just redefining my face. The last thing to redefine was that blush. Bring that back in. Yes, sir. Now everything is seamlessly incorporate it into my face. Next, we're gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. It's looking pretty good, pretty flawless. So I'm gonna dip into the powder and then blend the excess, which there's a lot of excess, blend it off the back of my hands, and then I can go ahead and push it in the under eyes. Take more excess, dip into that. And then going to do a little line here. And for my nose, and I use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade Kalahari. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in Cocoa Kisses, or 8039. And I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face. And I use the other end of the powder puff, dipping into that, patting it off, and you can totally see the difference between the yellow and the brown shade. And then using that on the other parts of my face. Rehydrate. And now I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury. I hope I don't fudge this all up, because I very, very much can. So I'm gonna go into that. Oh, I look truly airbrushed. Like, who is she? Oh, wait a minute. Is this what I've been missing? I look so airbrushed. Who am I? Wow, I just elevated my makeup, guys. I really just elevated my makeup, and I'm shook. Now I'm going in with bronzer. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Bronzer in the shade Sunstalker. Oh no, the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. Her. She's the moment. Doing something pretty simple, going in with my Carmela Cosmetics Defiance palette, and I just feel like doing like a pinky eye, like very basic. So first I'm going to go in with Empower, which is like the brown shade, just to create like a shadow transition shade. And I don't want to do anything shimmery today. I'm not in the mood for shimmer. And I'm going to go in with that pink tone called Desire. Just kind of use that. With a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with Intuition, which is like the whiter, and I'm going to kind of go in the inner portion. It's like a three-stepper. Before I used to stay away from bright, like whitey colors for my face, but but I find that it actually eats on darker skin tones. Completely eats. And now I'm just defining that. Unfortunately, I'm not a lash girl, but I'm a mascara girly. So mascara is gonna see me coming. I'm gonna go back in with Desire just to blend it out. Going back in with the darker Empower shade and just like go on the outer corners. Yes. And I don't want to do a black liner, so I'm going to do the Ico Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner in Warm Brown. I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. I'm using this NYX or NYX Retractable Lip Liner, and it is black. I'm going to draw that in. Brown. The brown is the Lip Stroke by Citizen Cosmetics in the shade Sizda? I don't know. It's a very weird scent. Going with the NYX Butter Gloss and the shade Caramel. It needs a little bit of pinkiness, so I'm going to do the Lancome Juicy Tubes. I feel like this lip doesn't go with it. I'm going to wipe the middle part. Feeling like doing this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in shade Amber. Yeah, that's better. I feel like that goes a little better. And finally for mascara, I'm going in with the Lancome Lash Idole. I feel like I use a lot of Lancome and I don't got it like that. It's really that they sent me PR and this mailer thing that I subscribed to one day. They've just been nice and sending me stuff. I don't know if it's even really them. It might just be the little brandy brand that does the mailers. But I'm grateful nonetheless, because how else would a little girl like me be able to afford Lancome? Lancome, and they are very much becoming my favorite. My favorite brand. So praise the Lord. Thank you to those mailers. This eye look actually came out really good. Yes, sir. Okay. I want to kind of mix in a little bit of red in there, the e.l.f. lip oil. Let's see what that does. Feels like it's supposed to be more baby doll. I wish I had more pink things. It's fine. It's fine the way it is. Okay. Alright. This is the look. Alright, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This was a super easy look. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.